Intro. Welcome to Bike Empire. Today we're talking about one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the Hero Splendor Plus. A bike that has ruled the roads for decades with reliability, mileage, and simplicity. Engine and performance. The Hero Splendor Plus is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and dependable performance. It's tuned for everyday riding, offering refined power delivery that makes city commuting effortless and stress-free. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is where the Splendor Plus truly shines. With Hero's i3S start-stop technology and lightweight build, it delivers excellent fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical bikes in its segment. Comfort and ride quality. Designed for daily use, the Splendor Plus features an upright riding posture, a comfortable seat, and soft suspension. Whether it's short city rides or longer daily commutes, comfort remains consistent. Design and features. The design stays classic with subtle modern touches like new graphics, alloy wheels, and halogen headlamp. It keeps things simple and practical, just the way commuter riders prefer. Safety and reliability. With drum brakes, strong build quality, and Hero's proven engineering, the Splendor Plus is known for long-term reliability and low maintenance costs, a key reason for its massive popularity. Price and verdict. Affordable pricing, unmatched mileage, and trusted performance make the Hero Splendor Plus a perfect choice for students, office riders, and anyone looking for a no-nonsense commuter bike. Outro. That's the Hero Splendor Plus for you, simple, efficient, and dependable. For more bike reviews and updates, stay connected with Bike Empire.